my name is Jeelan Warren, and this is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to access the location for the new open close reports. So on our website, you'll need to go to DSS, and if you're unfamiliar with how to get there, you can go to faculty and staff from our website, click on My Path, and this is actually going to open up a lot of useful links and softwares that we have available. But you're looking for the decision support system, which is going to be the fifth option down in the center. So you're going to be given a login screen. When you go to login, it's going to be the same credentials that you use on any of the KCTCS sites. So your typical user ID and password. So then right here at the top, you'll want to go to dashboards. You will not have as many options as I do, but you're looking for one that says colleges, or it'll say West Kentucky College. So right here, there are going to be 3 tabs on this dashboard. The tab that you're looking for is the last one, WK Course Tools. So if you click here, you'll see that there's a lot of different reports available, but the open close are right here at the top left. There are prior open close reports, which allow you to access previous terms with the full open close. And then there are current, which also have additional options like just late start or dual credit. So you'll want to click on the one that you're looking for. So if you want the full open close, then it's going to open it in a new tab. And there are a couple of options here. You can click here to expand, and it'll show you the full open close report right here on this screen. Or very simply click to export, and you can export to Excel or to PDF. And so those will give you the same options that you had before. So if you want to do some additional analysis and filtering on all of the fields, you'll want to just export the report into Excel, and it'll open it up in Excel for you in the same format as before. So essentially, the location of where these are stored has just changed from the secure site to here in DSS. So if you need any additional information, or if you don't have access currently to the dashboard, just please contact me. Again, my name is Jeelan Warren, and I'll be more than happy to work with you to get you the access that you need.